In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload more than 80 photos on Facebook. This simple yet effective process will allow you to share your memories with friends and family, without feeling limited by Facebook's standard photo upload restrictions. First things first, let's understand why this method is helpful. Facebook typically limits the number of photos you can upload at once, aiming to keep the platform running smoothly and efficiently. However, there are ways to work within these constraints and still achieve your goal of uploading more than 80 photos. For our purpose today, we'll use Facebook's photo album feature to organize and upload a large number of images seamlessly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once there, look for the Photos section typically found on your profile page or through the menu options. Click on it to open your photo library. Next, you'll want to create a new album. Look for the Create Album button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will prompt you to select the photos you want to upload from your device. In the file selection window that appears, you can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key or Command key on a Mac while clicking on each photo. This way, you can quickly gather all the images you wish to upload into the new album. Once you've selected the photos, click Open to begin the upload process. You might notice that a progress bar appears, indicating that your photos are being uploaded to Facebook. During this time, you can add a title and a description to your album, giving it a personal touch that will help your audience understand and appreciate the content. Now, as the uploading continues, you may wonder about the potential upload limits you might face. Generally, Facebook allows you to upload up to 1,000 photos per album, so you can rest assured that you're well within the platform's capacities for a single album. If you have over 80 photos, this solution allows you to organize them neatly in one place, making it more efficient and visually appealing for anyone viewing your album. Once your photos are uploaded, you can arrange them in your preferred order by dragging and dropping the images. Take this opportunity to highlight your favorites or create a chronological sequence that tells a story. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, click on the Post or Save button, depending on the interface you're using. This will make your album live to your Facebook friends or the selected audience you've chosen in the privacy settings. And just like that, you've overcome Facebook's standard photo upload limitation, allowing you to share a larger batch of photos in one go. Whether it's a long vacation, a special event, or just an everyday collection of moments, using Facebook albums to upload more than 80 photos allows you to share your stories in a comprehensive and engaging way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this method both helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy sharing your memories on Facebook.